Yes, it's me, Tonton Réré, pretty boy. Today, I will sing a pretty love song for you. It is called Perfect from Ed Sheeran. Belle chanson d'amour. Peut-être même ma favorite. Hein?
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're all mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved to dance, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. I still kiss the whistle, love, fighting against odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, remind me you're mine. I see my future in dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the trance, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Je ne sais pas pour vous, mais je suis profondément ému. Encore une fois, pas l'animal, hein, mais l'émotion. Alors, c'est Tonton Réré, pretty boy, qui vous dit à la prochaine.